In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Honkai Sky Rail account. In order to do so, simply go ahead and download the Honkai Sky Rail application on your mobile device. Go and search for Honkai Sky Rail by opening up your Play Store or your App Store and download this application that says Honkai Sky Rail from cognosphere.pt.limited. Once you download the app, tap on the play button. Start up your game and then you'll end up in the sign in area. To sign into your account, you can enter your HoYoverse account's email or username followed by password. Go ahead and type it in the text box, and after you are done entering both of your credentials, tap on the login button. If you don't remember your password during the process, you can tap on Forgot Password link. After tapping on the login button, you'll be able to log into your Honkai Sky Rail account. Now, select your server from the list and then tap on Start Game in order to start the game. That is how easy it is to log in and access to your Honkai Sky Rail game from your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.